My heart is too cold, so I ride with a heater. She said that she was in love, I can't cuff it because she was born to get needed. No niggas who talk about guns say they bout it, but really, them niggas get beat up. Dressing all black, I ain't fancy, don't care for occasions, pop out in the beat. While I'm in my two-seater, just made like 55K off my last song. They say that I'm popping, blew up in a month, I'm just hoping it lasts long. The numbers go up every day, I be watching, so I know I pass those. I know she pretty, but I cannot have her, cause my brother had those. And it's sad that I do these women like Yachty one night, then leave out the part where I ghost them. She said that she won't take pictures, I said it's alright, I don't care if you post them. Her friends in my DM, they tryna get at me, but I try my best not to boast them. She said those parties be lit, I said baby I know cause her man all hoster. I'm strapping no holster, I need my baby to ride with a youngin', like babe put the Glock in the purse on me. They'll go from riding in Cadillac coupes to riding in them Cadillac hearses on me. Ain't no facade cause I lost all my niggas in NOLA, had left for the first homies, so they can't take their places. Money changed all blue faces.
First blood.
My heart is too cold, so I ride with a heater. She said that she was in love, I can't cuff it because she was born to get needed. No niggas who talk about guns say they bout it, but really